The RITI Academy of Visual Arts Shillong celebrated its 30th anniversary of inception on 14th March 2021 at Mat Gallery at Jayaolangsing, Shillong. As part of the celebration, the Academy felicitated artist Dennis Marbanyang for his praiseworthy performances and awarded him a certificate for commendable services to the Academy. The Commissioner and Secretary, Art and Culture Department, Government of Meghalaya, Frederick Roy Kharkongor, graced the occasion as chief guest. While speaking at the function, Kharkongor lauded the efforts of the founder of the Academy, Rafael Wajri, who had contributed a lot towards the field of art and also for encouraging and grooming young artists as professionals in the same field.
It is a very significant year because it's a year in which Mr. Rafael Wajri was even awarded by the state government, and with the Meghalaya Art Award. With the Meghalaya, award for the best, artist, for the most prominent artist of the year, at the Statehood Day and at the Republic Day. So we extend congratulations to Mr. Rafael Wajri for this very significant, contributions that he has made to the field of art. We would like to involve everyone in this India at 75, and it will also happily converge and synergize with Meghalaya at 50 also, because we will celebrate both India as well as Meghalaya. India slightly older, Meghalaya 50, so we will try to celebrate both together, both the elder and the younger. So we will celebrate both these together, and art will be a medium for us to take that message further. So, and all of us who are here are all equal stakeholders. We will be, requesting all of you in some form or the other to join hands with us and to take this movement, forward, and to take the celebration forward. And
the function was chaired by Associate Producer of Media Plus, Refulgent Karnayor, while the vote of thanks was proposed by artist Rembrandt Karnayor. Attendees to the function included the Inspector General of the CRPF, Sonal V. Mishra, IPS, Professor T.B. Suba of the Anthropology Department of Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, the co-convener of the Indian National Trust of Art and Cultural Heritage, INTAC, Dr. Moushami De, members of the Ram Krishna Mission, Shillong, artists, well-wishers and family members.